What's something people don't know about the pied kingfisher? It's not just a pretty bird, it's a top-notch fisherman. The pied kingfisher, easily spotted by its black and white plumage, is a true marvel of nature. Found across Africa and parts of Asia, this bird is a master of fishing. You'll often find it perching near water, eyes keenly scanning the surface for fish. And when it spots its prey, it hovers like a helicopter before diving with pinpoint accuracy. Social by nature, pied kingfishers are often seen in pairs or small groups, building nests in sandy riverbanks.